Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you something that's going to save you hours of work. We're going to use AI in Google Sheets to automatically turn product images into complete SEO-ready descriptions. No more staring at pictures trying to think of the perfect product name or description. AI will do all the heavy lifting for us. By the end of this video, you'll know how to automatically generate product names, material descriptions, 10 SEO tags, compelling selling points, all from just a product image. Let me show you how. We're using the vision formula from the AI for Sheets add-on. Let's start with our first column, product names. In the product name column, I'll type equals vision $C$1 B2. Watch this, AI just gave us the Royal Comfort bed for our first product. Pretty accurate, right? Now I'll double click the corner to apply this formula to all 50 items. Just like that, we have names for every single product. Next up is materials. This is especially useful if your customers care about what products are made from. I'll type equals vision describe its material, B2. The AI analyzes the image and tells us exactly what materials it can identify. This kind of detail builds trust with customers. Now for the SEO magic. In the SEO tags column, equals vision $1 B2. This generates 10 relevant tags that help your products get discovered in search results. No more guessing what keywords to use, AI finds them based on what's actually in the image. Finally, let's create compelling copy with equals vision why choose this product, B2. This gives us persuasive selling points that you can use directly in your product highlights or marketing copy. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've created complete product information for 50 items. This same process works whether you have 10 products or 10,000. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI automation tips. I've got tons more videos on vision formulas and Google Sheets automation that you'll definitely want to check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.